Yes, hello, good morning everybody. We're Saturday morning, 7 a.m. and we are ready to go hit the courts. Have a great day today, Saturday. I'm showing you my grease lightning truck where I have everything here, everything to go, bunch of stuff, always needed. You know what I'm saying? Truck continues. I have here a bike already hooked it to the truck. Yes, sir. And I'm gonna show you the my back check. Back check. Here, bunch of clothes, shorts, t-shirts. Here, shoes, bottle, just in case I hit the paddle cord. And I have here the sticks. I have the storm of the arrow, and I have here the Roger Fits 97 PS. That's the original. So, yes, sir, we're gonna hit the courts now. Buy your Dodgers Tennis Pro reporting. See you at the courts.